right, Dad, what are we doing?
We're building ramps, sort of ramps.
We're not building ramps. We're going to build some cradles that hold the car up in the air, kind of like jack stands.
That's it, cradles.
Cradles, yeah.
Cradles.
We're building it. I got all my scrap 2x4s here, so we're going to see if we can do it with them. And the saw, we're going to set it up on the truck. We're going to cut them. And you know what it looks like? The thumbnail has the car sitting on the cradles already. Because we're already done when they're watching this. It's the future, but it's the past at the same time. Anyway, I'm going to time-lapse cutting the wood up. We're going to do 14 by 12. So we need, we want to go 8 2x4s high. So we need 32 pieces that are 14 inches and 32 inches that are 12 inches. So we're going to see if we can get that out of this scrap. And if not, I'm going to have to go buy a couple 2x4s, but hopefully we can do it with what we have. So we're going to time lapse it. See ya. Okay, there it is, all done. Car's nice and high in the air. Gonna be able to work on it nice. Ooh. Pretty happy with that. So now we can get the LS back in here and get this thing burning fuel. But yeah, and yeah, pretty good. It's up to my knee, the rocker. So that's plenty of height. My dad likes them so much, he wants to make a set for himself.
Yep.
We'll have to make yours out of 4x4s or 2x6s.
Why?
Because you got this thing.
What's that?
Because you got this thing.
Yeah.
You're gonna put that on 4x4s? 2x2s? 2x4s?
Why not?
I guess. I'm gonna put the Trailblazer on this. But
Not any heavier than the Trailblazer.
yeah, it's true. It breaks down more though.
That's not true.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. That's been broken for like a year, but that counts as one breakdown.
One breakdown, yeah.
And technically it still works. But yeah, that's the plan, is to get the BMW back together so I can do the 4L80 swap on the Trailblazer. So, thanks for the help, Dad.
No problem.
And yeah, there's a whole bunch of time lapse. So that's how you make 2x4 cradles or cribbing, whatever you want to call it, for your car. And yeah, it was fun getting up in the air, but jack it up, put it on ramps, put 4x4 on your jack, and then jack it up more. All right, guys, I'm gonna close the video out here. Try and give you a better look at the car up on the cradles here. Let me turn you around. You can see all that space under there to work. It's gonna be super good. like I said, with the Trailblazer, before, when I did the trans on the Trailblazer, I could take the trans down, but with it as high as it goes on my jack stands, I would have to like roll the trans out and then lift the tail of the trans up to clear the bell housing around the frame rail. With this, I'll just be able to drop the trans onto a dolly and wheel it out. Yeah. But anyway, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'm excited to get this thing back together. Been thinking about doing a drag and drive event. I don't know if it's going to be with this car, but that might be a thing in the future. If you'd like to see that, drop me a comment and let me know. I have a buddy of mine, Chris, who if you have all met, and we were talking about it over New Year's, and I think we're pretty serious about doing it. So if that's something that you're interested in, let us know in the comments. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. And until next time, I will see y'all later.